Welcome back students. Now move on to the question number 4. The question is, a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Understand the questions. What is given? A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches. Here we don't know the total number of matches they have played, but we know that out of that 10 matches they have win, and that percentage is 40%. Okay, so how many matches did they play in all? So first we start the given data. Win 10 matches. Okay, this percentage, that is 40% of win. And what is given? Out of total number of matches. So we don't know the total number of matches. So what we have to do? Let the total number of matches played is be X. Okay. Now, out of total number of matches they played, 10 matches they have win. That 10 represent the 40% of win. Means 40% of total match is equal to 10. Okay. So what we can say? 40% of total played match is equal to 10. This answer is already given to you. Out of whatever total they have played, that 40% they have win, that 40% the answer is given, that is 10. We have to find what is this, the total number of matches. So therefore 40% of what is this, X is equal to 10. So now we solve this equation. Replace the 40, divide by 100 into X is equal to 10. Now here we want to find what is the value of X. So let's see. So therefore X is equal to what? 10 multiplied by 100 divided by 40. Reduce it wherever you can cancel. Cancel it. 1 get cancel. This 25. So therefore X is equal to 25 matches. See, total number of matches they have played, that is 25 matches. Out of this 25 they have won 10 matches. So this way we can solve the question. Sometimes it happens you have to find the value of this X. Sometimes it happens you have to find the value of this which is not given. Sometimes it happens you have to find the percentage. So you should know the methods. The formula is only one. This one is the formula. Sometimes this value is not given, you have to find where X is given. Sometimes this value is not given, these two values are already given. Sometimes this is not given, this and this are given. So there is only one formula to find this such kind of questions. Okay, so this is all about your question number 4. Move on to the next question, question number 5. The next question is question number 5. The question is, if Chameli had ₹600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? Same question here. We don't know what is the total amount Chameli have. So that we have to consider as X. So 75% of X already she has spent. After that what is left? That is 600. So, how will you solve this question? First write down whatever data are given to you. So, let Chameli had rupees X in the beginning. This we don't know. That we have to find. But what is given? that is rupees 6,000. Got it? 75% of X he has already spent. After spending, what is left? That is 600. Okay. So now we will solve this question. So 75 divided by 100. Sorry, I made one mistakes. Again, I am doing the questions so that you can understand what mistakes I made. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, so 75% he has already spent. So that 75% of money we don't know. But what we know, Chameli had left rupees 600. So this 600 represent the remaining percentage, that is 25%. Okay, got it? What I did the mistake? So remaining percentage of money. 75% she has already spent. So that is out of 100%, 75% is already spent. So what percentage of money left? That is 25%. Again I am repeating. 100% money she had. Out of this 100%, she has already spent 75% money. That is 100 minus 75. So what percentage of money had left with she? That is 25%. And this 25% represent what? Rupees 600. Okay. So now, therefore 25% of total amount she had at the beginning is equal to rupees 600. Got it the concept? Why we cannot take 75%? Because 75% is the already she had spent. That amount we don't know. So that's why we cannot take 75%. We have to find the remaining percent of money, that is 25%. That 25% amount is what? Your rupees 600. So that 25% of X is equal to 600. Now solve it. So 25 divided by 100 multiplied by X is equal to 600. So now we want to find the value of X. So X is equal to 600 multiplied by 100 divided by 25. This we can cancel. 25 4 the, so this is equal to 600 multiplied by 4, that is 2400. So at the beginning Chameli had rupees 2400. So this is our answer of question number 5. This way you can solve the question. So students, before you solve any kind of question, understand the questions first. If you are unable to understand question by reading one time, read it twice, thrice, and try to understand exactly what is the meaning of that particular questions. Otherwise, what mistakes I made, the same mistakes you can also make. So this is all about question number 5. Move on to the last question, question number 6. See question number 6. I am reading the questions. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games if the total number of people is 50 lakh? Find the exact number who like each type of game. So here what is given? Total number of people, that is 50 lakhs. So first we spread out all the given data, that is total number of people is equal to 50 lakh. Okay. Then 30% people like cricket. So number of people like cricket, that first we will find. So people like cricket is equal to what we have to find? 30% of total, that is 50 lakh. So which is equal to 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 50 lakh. This 2 to 0 will get cancelled. So what is left? 5 3 is 15. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. So what is the answer? 15 lakh. So 15 lakh people like cricket. Now next what is given? 60% people likes football. 60% people like football. So number of people like football is equal to 60% of 50 lakh. Okay, so 60% of 50 lakh means 60 divided by 100 multiplied by 50 lakh. So here this 2 0 will get cancelled. So now what is left? 6 5 30. 1 2 3 4 5 5 0. So what is your answer? 30 lakh. So this way we can find the number of people who like cricket after whatever percentage you know. Okay, so 30% of 50 lakh. So 50 lakh people like cricket. Here 30 lakh people like football. Now what is the question? The remaining percentage of people like the other games. Now remaining percentage means what? 30% is already given. 60% is already given. So 60 plus 30. What is the answer? 90%. So out of 100, 90% are people like this. So what is the left? 10%. So 10% of 50 lakh people likes the other games. Got it my point? So 10% of 50 lakh is what? 5 lakh. If you do the calculation like this, you will get the answer that 10% of 50 lakh is equal to 5 lakh. Now when you do the addition 50 lakh, 30 lakh and 5 lakh, the total number is 50 lakh. So this way we solve the last question. Last part I have left for you. I have explained you how to find it. 30% is given, 60% is given. Do the total. So 90% is already done. So how many people remaining? 10%. 10% of 50 lakh is what? 5 lakh. Orally also you can calculate 5 lakh people like the other games. Okay, so this here your exercise 8.1 is completed. Any query, most welcome, you can ask me.